Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to find the original Windows 11 product key from your PC. Now I believe if you have a PC you know how to get to your Windows 11 let's say you want to upgrade to from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. You're able to go simply to your search bar here, look for Windows 11 11 Pro, for instance, right? And go to the apps section here. And then the apps leads you into this window right here. You can see right here it gives me what I'm looking for already, although you can find it in the app section, but this is the home and it's giving me the option I wanted right now. So you can go here and learn more, and it lets you to pay for a new Windows if you wanted to upgrade to the next level of Windows, let's say Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. So that's how to get the Windows 11 Pro, for instance, if you're looking for that. And it's very easy. You pay about $131 or thereabout. I'm Canadian, of course, and that's how you're able to get that. Once you download it, I noticed that it doesn't really display the Windows 11 Pro product key, which can be a bit of a problem. So for which reason I've made this video to help you retrieve the original Windows 11 product key after you have upgraded. This can work for Windows 11 Home or Pro or whichever at all. I'm going to show you how to retrieve it in a very simple way. I'll take you step by step, so stay tuned. Now, the very first thing you want to do to retrieve your product key here is to simply go to, or before I go into that, let's talk about the benefits of having your product key. The benefits, right? The benefits. Let's for those who don't understand what this really is all about. Let's say you have this PC right here. You have a PC right here, and you have Windows 11 Home, for example, Windows 11 Home running right here, and then you upgrade to Pro. You upgrade to Windows 11. Let's say you now have the Windows 11. Say you have Pro. If you have the license key of this Windows 11 Pro here, license key, you're able to, let's say you this PC breaks down and you can't retrieve your details, you're able to transfer your Windows from here, the same version, to a new PC which you bought. So let's say you bought a new PC here that runs Windows 11 Home. You want to upgrade to Pro. Given that you have this license key already of the old one, which you don't use anymore, you can move it to this PC right here and have your Windows 11 Pro here back. So that's what you use the product key for. Without this, it's very challenging to do this. There could be other ways, but it could be very difficult without the product key to do it. So if you don't have original product key, how can you retrieve the product key? That is what I'll be talking about in this video. So stay tuned while I show you how to do this in a very simple fashion. I'll take you step by step as usual. The first thing you want to do is to go right here to your Windows tab right here. Go to Windows tab. Mine is right here below. Yours could be beside or whatever. You need here the start button. Click right there. Then you type in command, the command prompt. There you go. It's right here. Command prompt. Type this in and then you click on open. You open it. Once you do, this is what you find. Once you find this, don't click forward, don't click next, don't click spacebar. Just go straight and copy and paste a text in there. I'm going to show you the text in this video. It's going to be in the description, how to find the text. So you can always find the text and always paste it just like that. When you find the text, do not edit it. Just copy and paste it right there in this tab, and it's going to display your Windows 11 original product key. Now, what text is this? This text is right here. This is the text. So if you copy this text right here, copy this text right here, you copy it, go back to your command prompt and just click Control V, paste. Once you click this, click on your enter button. Once you click on enter button, you'd see your original Windows 11 product key displayed on your screen. It's about a 25 digit key or so thereabout. So copy out that key and you can store it for your reference. I mean, that's how to retrieve your original Windows 11 product key. But in this video, I will not click on enter so I don't get my key copied by someone else. Okay, so because it's meant to be for me and just me. It's a single key, single use key rather. So I would say once you copy this in here and you paste it, you click on enter, the enter button, and then it displays your Windows 11 product key. So guys, that's how to retrieve your Windows 11 key. And just in case you did upgrade from Windows 10 to 11, you can also retrieve it the same way. It works for Windows PCs only, guys. So just in case you're wondering if this can work for you, I would say, well, it can if you're using a Windows PC. Just so you know that that's how it works. All right, guys. This video is not designed for Mac users. I'm sorry about that. But that's how you do it with the Windows. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if it was helpful, and share this video with people who need the same resource. Thanks for watching once more, and bye for now.